My name is Alex Noble. I'm with Fresh Made Merch. Today we're here to talk about the Zentner SpeedLine 5-chamber. We've had it now for about 8 months. The reason that we kind of invested in this technology and this cleaning machine was to keep up with our demand of screens. So essentially before we were having issues again with just consistent results, getting our screens to come off clean and price that accordingly. What the Zentner has done is allowed us to get more screens out efficiently while also, I guess, minimizing cross-contamination with our chemical usage. So we're saving money on screens. The results have been phenomenal. We're getting very clean screens, and it works great. We don't really clean screens on a daily basis, but we do them in batches. We're probably doing about 150 to 200 screens in a morning shift. So I would say every morning from about 8 to 12, we'll probably run about a couple hundred screens. Yeah, zero issues with it. Like I said, chemical costs have gone down. Screens are coming out cleaner. So yeah, I would definitely recommend it to anybody.